Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit score with TransUnion. Quick tutorial step by step. Visit the TransUnion website. Navigate to the credit score section. Create or log into your account. Once logged in, access your credit report. Review your report thoroughly for inaccuracies. Identify any negative entries that may be affecting your score. Dispute any inaccuracies you find directly through the site. Monitor your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep it below 30%. Consider paying down existing debts. Set up payment reminders to avoid late payments. Check if you are eligible for a credit limit increase. Submit a request for a credit limit increase if appropriate. Diversify your credit mix by considering secured credit cards. Avoid opening too many accounts at once. Regularly check your TransUnion dashboard for updates. Utilize credit building tools offered by TransUnion. Set realistic goals for gradually improving your score. Remember, consistency is key in financially responsible behaviors. Recheck your credit score after a few months to track progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.